In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in Mozilla Thunderbird. This process can enhance the performance of your email client and ensure that it runs smoothly. Clearing the cache is a simple yet effective way to resolve any sluggishness or odd behavior that may be affecting your experience. First, open Mozilla Thunderbird on your computer. You should see the familiar interface with your inbox and folders displayed. This is where all your emails reside. If you have been using Thunderbird for a while, you may notice that it can become a bit sluggish over time. By clearing your cache, you can help improve its speed and responsiveness. So, let's get started with the steps to clear the cache. Next, click the menu button, which looks like three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon. It is usually located in the upper right corner of the window. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Settings option. This action will take you to the Settings menu where you can customize various aspects of Thunderbird. It is essential to navigate to the right section to access the cache settings effectively. Make sure the General tab is selected when you are in the Settings menu. The General tab is typically the first option you see and contains various important settings related to Thunderbird's functionality. This step is crucial because you want to ensure that you are in the correct section to find the disk space or network and disk space settings needed to clear the cache. Now scroll down until you reach the disk space or network and disk space section. Here you will find options that relate to how Thunderbird manages its cache and disk usage. This section is pivotal as it contains the cache settings that we want to clear. By locating this area, you are one step closer to optimizing Thunderbird's performance and making it run more efficiently. Click Clear Now next to the cache settings. This button is specifically designed to remove the temporary data that Thunderbird has stored. After clicking it, you may notice a brief pause as the cache is cleared. This action is important because it ensures that any outdated or unnecessary data is removed, allowing for faster loading times of your emails and a smoother experience overall. After clearing the cache, restart Thunderbird. This step is vital as it allows the changes you made to take effect. When Thunderbird restarts, it will rebuild its cache with fresh data, which should improve performance. You will typically notice that your emails load faster and that the application behaves more responsively after this step. If Thunderbird is running slowly or behaving strangely, you can also clear the cache using a keyboard shortcut. For Windows or Linux users, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. For Mac users, press Command, Shift, and Delete. Using this shortcut is a quick alternative to manually navigating through the menu, and it can save you time, especially if you need to clear the cache frequently. Once you use the shortcut, set the time range to everything. This option ensures that all cached data is considered for removal. It is a comprehensive approach and guarantees that no remnants of old cache will linger in the application. Uncheck all options except cache. This step allows you to focus solely on clearing the cache while leaving other important data intact. It is essential to ensure that you do not accidentally delete any important information, so double-checking your selections is a wise practice. Click Clear and restart Thunderbird. By clicking this button, you confirm that you want to proceed with clearing the cache. This final action completes the process and ensures that your Thunderbird application runs optimally. Remember, clearing the cache does not delete your emails, contacts, or account settings. Those are stored separately in your Thunderbird profile so you can proceed with confidence.